Today I'm going to do a Kdenlive video editor tutorial. And I'm going to use Crazy Dad music. This guy's really a character, and he's a good subscriber, and I love what he's doing. And I see him, he's playing a little bit of boogie woogie here, and I saw this neat thing on his hand that says subscribe. And I want to use this video to show my Kdenlive editing. So we'll stop that video. We'll go over here to Kdenlive. I've already captured the video, so I'm going to come over here and get the capture of the funny new song. Okay. Then we're going to bring in the hand. I've already edited the hand. And there's the hand. We take the video and we bring it down here and drop it. Then we take the hand and we drop it on top. Now we don't want it over the whole thing. If I come over here and click it, you see it's on top of everything. I want it so it's all over. So I'll take that and I'll drag it out longer and move it over. So it'll begin just like this. That'll be the very beginning for the first 19 seconds or so, 20 seconds, and then the overlay hand will come in. Now it's too large. What we have to do is position and zoom that hand. So we come in here to the effects, and we're going to do position and zoom. On position, and we don't want it full size because I want it to cover this area approximately from here to here. So let's give it a shot at 80% and see what that looks like. It's a nice shrink. That's not bad. Now let's go over here to our editing tool, the edit mode, and we can drag it right where we want it to be at. Right there. We cover up all those other names and everything in there, and there it is. Now if we back up and play it, you see there it is, and bam, there it is. But we don't want bam, there it is. We want it to fade in. So let's grab it at this very corner and we'll pull it over, and that will make a fade. Now if we back it up and we click it, it fades in right here. See it? Fade in. And it will stay in. Now, if I want it to appear and disappear, I could grab this edge and it would make it fade out at the end. Oh, this is with the way this is my original edit. Now we can turn that top off right here. We can turn it off, and that way we see just the bottom. If I see it over here where part of my screen capture actually was in my terminal. So let's see at what point that terminal starts. The very back part right there, the terminal starts. Now I can do one of two things. I can either fade it into a black or I can edit. I think I'll just cut it out though. Let's play it and see where it starts at. Right there. So I use the scissors, go here and cut. Cut. Then I choose the very back piece right there and delete it. Now let's back up and see where we go at. There it is. Now this one here on top, of course, we want to be the same size as the bottom. So we'll back up just a little bit, and it has a snapping effect. It'll snap right in. At this point, we have the video with the overlaid hand. Now the next one we'll do more. But these are short, quick videos, so you can make something really neat, really easy, and you don't have to worry about getting all in depth. Then you come up here and you say, I want to render it. Okay, let's render. MP4. And I've already set my size. The sizes and everything are all set in here. to be the 740. I mean the 1280 by 720. Well, that's the size of the video we brought in, so we want to render it. We'll say render to file. We're going to call this number 1.mp4 and render to file. And that will make that video. It's going to take a minute to do. Okay, our render is complete. So now we go to the documents and we can open that up and we can look at it.
Hey, I'm going to do a series on Kdenlive video editing. It's got to be fun for everybody. I do a lot of FFmpeg, but I realize that not
at about 20 seconds, the other image will fade in right here.